this is hot water. And I'm just going to stir this spoon I just made. Okay?
Okay. Bryson? Bryson?
Watch this. Also, if you like rub it like this.
Uh-huh. Whoa.
Gallium is shiny. Aluminum is also shiny. So, what is the melting point of aluminum?
Aluminum's melting point is 1,220 degrees Fahrenheit.
What is the melting point of gallium?
Gallium's melting point is 85.64 degrees Fahrenheit.
Aluminum foil conducts electricity. Gallium also conducts electricity. Gallium and aluminum are both bendable or malleable. First, you melt the gallium. It will turn to a liquid. After that, you suck it up in a syringe. Oh, I got an air bubble. Oh, Dad. Then you squirt it into a spoon-shaped mold. Yeah, it came up. Now you have to let it freeze. Take the mold out, then take the spoon out very carefully so it doesn't break. Thank you for watching.